how to delete eSIM on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the home section of settings, all you need to do is you need to move into Cellular. Once you're inside the Cellular, you need to scroll down and you'll get to see the option of Add eSIM. As you can see, I haven't added any of the eSIM, so the delete option is not available. But if you have added eSIM on a device, then the option of delete eSIM will be available to you. All you gotta do is tap on delete eSIM and then once again click on delete. After that, your eSIM will be deleted from your device and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.